In the last 12 months we've definitely grown. We've exported product to New Zealand, which has been really exciting, but really important and a great milestone is we became certified for Australian made, and we're keeping people employed in this state. The transition from auto manufacturing into clean tech manufacturing was a fairly smooth transition. There are a lot of similarities. It's about being efficient and it's about building quality products. But the exciting part of this journey is that it's new technology and it's a growth market. Recently we celebrated building our 1000th system, which was a great milestone for the team. That 1000th product brought back memories for me. It was always a big milestone when I was back in the automotive industry of building the 1 millionth, the 2 millionth, and it makes me proud that we'll continue to celebrate those milestones as we build 10,000 and 100,000 sonnenBatteries here in Adelaide.